Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about global address list. When we install our first Exchange server, it will by default create a default global address list in the Exchange system and include all the recipients within the Active Directory in the global address list. And this will be the master list or an address list at the top level, wherein you can create custom address list within the global address list. However, you may need to create custom global address list in multiple scenarios, like you may have a merger with your company and you may want to create an address list and separate them from the existing global address list, so the users from your current organization will not see the email address on the new merger organization. So in such scenarios, we may need to create custom global address list and restrict the people from seeing email addresses or contacts of other company or other departments. So any user can only see one global address list at any time. And this is a default behavior and cannot be changed. So let's go to our Exchange Admin Center and go to Organization tab, and you can go to Address List. As you can see, there is a default global address list which was created while the Exchange server was being installed. And we have multiple address lists here. Let's double click on default global address list. And you can see these are the filters wherein it is adding all users or contacts or Exchange system mailbox or distribution list, including the groups and public folders. And we also have some specific address list for users, rooms, distribution list, contacts, and public folders. And the global address list will have all these lists and all the recipient list within this. However, to create a new global address list, we will need to use Exchange Management Shell. So let's open Exchange Management Shell. So we can see the existing global address list using get global address list. So to create a new global address list, we will use new-global address list commandlet and provide the name as sales gal. And on the recipient filter, we will use title and provide sales as a filter here. So let's hit enter. As you see, global address list for sales has been created. To see the members of this gal, we will use this PowerShell commandlet where we will get the gal details on this variable, and we will do get recipient, and then we will select the required properties of these accounts. So let's hit enter, and we have 4 users on this. So once you create a global address list, you will have to do update global address list and provide the address list name to update this. So this is how you can create custom global address list in Exchange using Exchange Management Shell. I hope this was informative, and see you on the next one.